Alhamdulillah, the color of the bun turned out beautiful golden brown and it held its shape when it was baked. MashaAllah. The outside of the bun is crispy, so let's stir it up and see what it's like from the inside. MashaAllah, it is soft like a sponge from the inside. So, if you follow the 6 easy steps, you guys can also learn how to bake these sausage buns in a short amount of time. So, what's the delay? Let's go and start baking. So, let me first go through the ingredients we'll be using to make these sausage buns. The ingredients are all-purpose flour 1.5 cup, yeast 1 teaspoon, sugar 2 teaspoon, powder milk 4 teaspoon, olive oil 2 tablespoon, pink salt half teaspoon, warm water as per quantity, sausages and sesame seed. So for the preparation, we have to make a dough in a bowl with all the ingredients. So at first, we are going to start putting all the ingredients inside the bowl. The first ingredient is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, then followed by 1 teaspoon of yeast, then 2 teaspoon of sugar, 4 teaspoon of powdered milk, 2 teaspoon of olive oil. Then we are gonna mix it up well. Now we are putting half teaspoon of pink salt, or you guys can also use normal white salt or sea salt. Then we will pour some warm water as per quantity until the dough is sticky. Then keep the sticky dough inside a bowl covered for 1 hour to active the yeast. After the dough has risen, we took it on a board and cut it in medium slices. Then we will roll one slice until it is 1.5 times the size of a sausage. After that, we will take the snake dough and roll it into a spiral pattern around the sausage. And repeat the same thing for the rest. Meanwhile, we kept our oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. After rolling, then we took the sausage doughs on a tray wrapped with foil. Then brushing some liquid milk on the doughs. To make it look good, we like to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of the dough. So this is how the sausage bun should look like after rolling the dough. Then we put the buns inside the oven. So we set the temperature on 180 degrees Celsius, both top and bottom heated, and the timer is for 20 minutes. After baking, take the buns and eat them with any dippings as you like. So I took mayonnaise and chili sauce. So let's see how the buns turned out. Alhamdulillah, the color of the bun turned out beautiful golden brown and it held its shape when it was baked. MashaAllah. The outside of the bun is crispy, so let's stir it up and see what it's like from the inside. MashaAllah, it is soft like a sponge from the inside. So let's try it out. I will go first with the dipping. So I'll go for the mayonnaise first. Hmm, the sausage it's not dried out at all. Like the juices is still there in the sausage, and the bun it's totally soft from the inside. It, it's good, but no, I don't like the mayonnaise with it. So let's try the chili sauce. Mmm, this chili sauce really goes well with the sausage bun. You guys should try the bun with this chili sauce dip. This is a sweet sauce, not the spicy, so it won't be a problem if you are not a spice lover. And guys, you can also freeze these sausage buns to use them later as snacks, to go on a picnic, or to make them for gatherings. And these sausage buns are also great to have in parties too. Today I had to come for my monthly medication, so it's now almost 12 noon. I don't like medical food, so we'll make something of it later at home. So I brought those sausage buns, and look, it is still soft and good to eat. Mhm. So guys, if you like to see more recipes and cooking videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated. Also, comment down below that what you want to see in the next video. This is Sami signing off. Ma salama.